Yeah, I got this nice silver plated platter from my buddy Kirk, Secret Creek Prospecting. Oh yeah, secret baby. So anyway, I got one of my Dunlaps. I always like these kind of tortoise shell ones. Once they get worn like this a little bit though, they're slippy. They become slippery, but they're real good at first. I think that's the design. Make them really good for like a couple of hours. No, they're no good. But I use them anyway. But yeah. So I drew that one out there with that pattern there. I got something to grip onto with your thumb. And yeah, I'm gonna cut that dude out. I'm gonna pick out some more designs here too that I think will have good traction. You know, like this guy here with a little double swirl, right? If I put that right there at the thumb, you know, it should give me some pretty good traction on that thing. And it should look okay. Maybe something about like that. And draw that dude out. I'm going to pick out several on here. Various patterns. I'm going to try this one right here. Let's do this one first and see what happens. Let's do this one. There she goes. Pretty good. Some 600 sandpaper here. I can work on these edges just a little bit. Get out the big lines. A little bit of mothers here. Round it around with it a couple laps. See what she looked like after this, huh? Mamma mia. She a polishy baby. She look pretty shiny on now. And a nice blend with the yellow brass to the silver. Pretty. She look pretty now, baby. Woo, pretty. Yeah. I saw that online for about 50 bucks, man. A lot of work put into it. $50. I'll knock you out, Tripp. Give me my duct tape. Quick, quick, honey, get the duct tape. It's a plastic pick. Silver plated brass. Plastic. Brass. Definitely got a bite. Definitely. Let's get a Frisbee guitar, dog. You drool a lot for a girl. You're a girl, okay? And you drool. Come on, you guys. On the stage I'm a star again, playing to the crowd. I'm looking at the people here, knowing who they really are. Daytime and nighttime, I'm dreaming thoughts thoughts of you. Nighttime and daytime, I'm working 'cause the bills are due. How many pens do you want, my friend, my dear friend? How many pens do you want, my friend, oh my dear friend? How many pens do you want, my friend, my dear friend? I'm writing words to loved ones, tears fall from my pen. I'm writing words to loved ones, tears fall from my pen. 'Cause daytime and nighttime, I'm dreaming thoughts of you. Nighttime and daytime, I'm working 'cause the bills are due. You're drooling on my guitar. You know that? You're a girl. You're a girl. Did you know that? That you're a girl? You're a girl, okay? You're a girl and you drool a lot for a girl. That's the bottom line. You drool a lot for a girl. Somewhere back from the edge of the moon, brightest star in the world be soon. Trees shimmer on the breath of the wind. Again the daylight turns away to dawn. Fine. He said, feed my sheep. He said, feed my sheep. Sea is flat and smooth as the ship descends. The noise coming from the war makes my mind begin to bend. The man takes another life with no thought for his sin. Moving through years, not correcting his wind. He said, feed my sheep. He said, feed my sheep. Trespass not all the doors. Think of me and never thirst again. Be not weak in unbelieving. Walk the path, never wavering. Feed my sheep. Feed my sheep. He said, feed my sheep. He said, feed my sheep. Fine. Fine.